Hey guys, JP Tech here, and today I'm going to be showing you what I use to clean my PCs and build my PCs and everything. So let's get started. First off, I use this Arctic Clean thermal paste remover and the thermal surface purifier. The first one is to remove the thermal paste, and the other one is to get the surface ready for some new thermal paste, and it works really well. I've used this for ages and it has never disappointed me. And then for cleaning up dust, you can use that kind of compressed air, but I don't, because I do this for a living and do this a lot, so efficiency is the only way to go, and therefore I have this. This is a air blower, electric, and you can find them on Amazon and everything. You can just search for a data vac and you'll find it there. And I also have this. This is an electrical screwdriver, which doesn't pull very hard, but it does the job very well. It doesn't need to draw the screws very hard, and it saves the wrist very much. And then I have some different sizes of cable ties or zip ties. Depends on how you say it, but I call them cable ties anyway. And of course a small cutter for them. And I also am using this iFixit kit, which I'm a huge fan of, because they have everything you need in one kit. I think I paid just $30 for this or something like that, and I am really liking it. It is amazing. If you don't have one, then I'll suggest go and buy it, because you will not be disappointed with it. It has everything you need and more. I am also using a Ecc Spray when I wanna get things really clean down. I'm spraying down motherboards, graphics cards, everything with that thing. So it gets really clean, shiny again, looks like new. So that's it for this time. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I see you guys next time.